Boys, back in the action. We're back in the action. Hey man, we got a big video today, bro. I'm coming out with you some big news. Bigger news than Kim Kardashian's tape leak. That was also big. Today, boys, first off, thumbs up, comment down below to the NameBran channel. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna change this name to, I don't know, like Shadow Ban Brand, bro. It's getting ridiculous at this point. But thumbs up, comments maybe help, man. Anyway, bro, for the past like few months, I've been telling you guys, especially saying like I apologize for not filming as much because I'm working on the basement. Now, this basement was a piece of crap before. Completely gutted the thing, bro. Changed where rooms are, everything like that. It's finally done. I gotta show it off to you guys today, man. It's a new studio where I'm gonna cook the stew. I'm gonna have a stew down there within one of the bedrooms where I'm gonna cook up some sick beats with my homies probably. Other than that, I guess I'm just gonna film down there and chill with the boys. It's an ultimate man cave. You guys will see though, bro. I'm really excited. I hope you guys remember kind of what it looked like because Cameron used to live down there. Now he doesn't. Nobody does. So hopefully you can kind of remember. Maybe I'll have some clips that remind you. It looks a lot different, bro. I'm very excited. Let's get into it. My 2024 room tour, bro. I should have done it in January. That's when these really pop. I'm an idiot though. I couldn't wait. Alright, let's go. I'm excited. Ian the cameraman might actually come film this too. Alright, bro. While I wait for Ian to potentially come over, I'm just gonna like, I'm talking over right now some like past videos or whatever, so you can kind of get a feel for what the basement used to look like. I don't know where the hell I'm gonna find those clips or if I even show it well, but it's like, it's all old, it's wood, it's messy. Pay attention to the bar area, all that stuff. Might be a picture of the washroom right here, the old washroom, and yeah, alright. Let's go. Alright, boys. Ian the cameraman finally here. My lord, wow, that was so awkward. I think that was my bad, bro. Awkward. Here you go. So he's already seen the place, boys. We're gonna do this pretty quickly.
And you're already smoking down here.
No, this is like a herbal stick. I'm trying to quit smoking, boys, so it's nothing else, boys. So YouTube, don't freaking bug me about it, alright? Floor, new floor. Nobody gives a crap, huh? This little fricker, this is supposed to be painted actually. He didn't come yesterday or today, so he's fired. New stairs, bro. What do you think about the stairs, Ian? Because these were a mess before.
Oh yeah, they're so much nicer. Like with the carpeting, you don't want to like slide off them and fall to your desk anymore.
Yeah, bro. It wasn't carpet before. This actually.
Like the number of times I almost broke my back climbing those stairs.
Dude, I broke my back coming up and down. Both time with beers in my hand. Just starting here, this is the boring stuff. Over here is what's really, maybe I should put this out. I think YouTube's just gonna say something about it. Stay here. Just stay there, bro. I don't know where to put it. There's no garbages down here yet. Hold on. Boys, this is one thing.
And this is where,
just turn it off, actually. I'll come back down.
And this is where Brandon sets the house on fire.
Alright, we're back.
Celebrate the new renos with a quick bonfire.
So this wasn't here before, actually. This whole, like, room. It's a closet, bro. My girl comes over, my wife comes home, I hide her in here, you know.
That's the mistress hiding closet?
Yeah, exactly. Little storage space with a light in it. We don't cut corners here, boys. Right here, another storage. Room also didn't used to be here.
Oh yeah,
a small room, I guess.
Yeah, got a nice little bedroom for the kid you don't like.
Yeah, exactly. The least favorite kid. It's a good plan, actually. I don't have a kid yet, though. But
little solitary confinement.
I'm sure I'm gonna hate one of those buggers.
If they're anything like you, it seems likely.
Oh, definitely. Well, they're all gonna suck. This room right here, boring, unfinished. It's an adult room, bro, where you do adult things. We don't need to have a frickin' finished room. We just ran out of money. Washer, dryer. This is what I eat. A lot of meat. I still gotta cut that up, and literally this is all I have.
Yeah, you got some frozen fettuccine alfredo. Nice.
Yeah, well, every kind actually. I'm pretty excited about that. Okay. Beer fridge, only beers in here. If there's anything else, I'm pissed. Nope, we're looking good. And nothing in there. Pizza pops. I forgot about those.
Yeah, know what you're eating.
So, I thought we were
know what you're eating for dinner now.
This right here was a bedroom. Didn't look this cool. The walls were purple before. I don't know why.
Yeah, that was a weird.
This is Ian's old.
Yeah.
God damn it! What the hell happened here? I didn't even proof this room.
What?
Why is there a... It's freaking... There shouldn't be a gap, bro. Anyways, that pissed me off.
Yeah, how's Sarah gonna hide her boyfriend in that?
Easy there, bro. The boyfriend's more jacked than this. This thing's small. Yeah, anyway. Small closet. Chicks hate it. It's fine. Don't care. Not because they're girls, it's just because, I don't know. Still gotta get the shower. This is the only thing that's not finished. Shower door. Take showers in here and wash my beautiful body anyway, but then I get in trouble because there's no shower door and I flooded it. There's a blue tape there. That's annoying. That means he missed a touch-up spot, which I see right here. He's really fired now. This thing's a beaut.
Yeah, that is a Terminator shower head.
Yeah, bro. You got one for the man, one for the lady. If you catch my drift.
Ah, so the lady gets a big black one?
It's a little late right here. Yeah, easy there, bro. I guess I started off smoking something, but I swear to God, it was like a herbal no nicotine, a quitting task. All right.
Yeah, I can vouch for that. Like, Brandon would be he'd be even dumber.
Oh yeah, no, like that comes later. It's too early for that. This wasn't even here before. Nick, that shouldn't be here. That should not be here. Oh my Lord. All right, boys. Here's the fun part, and let's just show it to them. This cord, that's gonna go. I'm actually gonna put a battery pack on this, so we're not tripping over that. It happened twice already. This is the film studio, boys. The lounge slash maybe jerk off station. You never know. Might feel a little frisky. And probably shouldn't say that. Bar. I mean, it's the first fireplace I ever owned, bro. Now it might be fake, but it still controls heat and stuff. It still gives off heat. 2,500 different colors or something.
Yeah.
They all look the same.
They're just shades of blue, orange, and red.
Turn it off now. Sorry, boys. I gotta do that because this camera cuts out. Anyway, that scared me, bro. It sometimes really cuts out. You gotta redo it all. TV! The biggest one we could find that fits. Also, it was quite cheap. Damn it! Oh! I already had a recline. This was supposed to be a surprise where I stayed on here, and I'm like, guys, oh, look, it's not done going yet. It actually goes lower, but it's kind of ruined now. Anyway, all of them recline. Super sick. This is probably where I'm going to start editing. I don't know where I'm going to film. How's the lighting here, by the way?
Pretty good. Like, everything's nice and bright.
Nice, nice, nice. So I might film over here. Bar area, I mean, you can't go wrong. This is where we slay drinks, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Crack your whiskey and stuff. My chef is usually here cooking up some lobster. Don't know where she is.
Cooking up some lobster in a sink?
My ape that everyone makes fun of me for owning, but it's still worth more than your net worth, probably. So douchey. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just man. I'm a little sensitive about it, and don't worry, I'm still up on it. I didn't spend that much money on it. Wine fridge, not stocked. It's embarrassing. Don't show that. Boys, that's it. Do another pan around, Ian. My Lord, we've done it again, boys. How the hell did I achieve this? I don't know. I want to shout out my girl. Because I should. Because after that closet joke with a girlfriend, I felt a little bad. I should probably redeem myself. But boys, I hope you enjoy it. Ian, you're going to be coming down for a lot more beers.
Oh, hell yeah.
And watch some South Park, probably. You still have to watch that new season.
Oh,
a bunch
yeah.
of new seasons.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
Let me know what your favorite part is, boys. If you guys don't say this part, that's weird. Because everything else is pretty plain. Washroom's kind of sick, I guess, you know? But, no, that's it, boys. Thanks for watching. And videos will be probably filmed a lot down here now, too. Just because it looks crisp and makes me look like a lot more wealthy than I am, you know?
Just because it isn't full of clutter yet.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Still need an area rug, a table. Probably like 15 chairs right here. Maybe a big dining room table over there. About 15 pictures could probably be on this one. No, I'm just kidding, because he said cluttered. Anyway. Oh, and then maybe like a little desk right here for, I don't know, editing.
Oh, yeah.
Playing GTA Online, which I just downloaded. Pretty stoked about that. That's it, boys. Love you to death. Peace! Let's get a beer in.
Oh, you know what? Almost forgot my favorite part.
Cut it off now.
There's a little portal to the Enderverse right there.
Don't show that. Cut it off.
No, it's how you get to the Rat King. Okay. Isn't that kind of cool?
Don't show the.
Yeah, no. They need to give this thing a little bit of rotten meat every night, or the rats will literally explode out of it. It's crazy, man.
It's the one imperfection here. There's a lot, all right? Bye.
I think it's kind of cool.